Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going today? So, thank you very much for joining me. Today is June the 4th, a Tuesday, and I'm going to give you guys a really good 10-minute update to catch you up on everything that you need to know. So, for those that have been following me for a long time, thank you very much. And for those that are new to my channel, you'll learn very quickly that I'm a degenerate day trader of over 9 years now that has now moved from the day trading game to the investing game where I hold long term. And I've done this because my investing portfolio, it is heavily outperforming my day trading profits. And you do this long enough and you have enough skin in the game, this is going to happen. So my goal is to provide you with a 10-minute update that's going to catch you up extremely quickly and let you know everything that you need to know to stay in touch with how the market is currently trending. So we see that Bitcoin, first of all, it starts off at this range here. I believe that we're going to break out of it sometime between now and August, guaranteed, just based off of how the momentum is going. We are in this range on the 4-day chart that shows a major resistance around the $71,900 resistance. And then on the lower side is 60,600. I don't think we're going to see these ranges again because if you take a look at, for example, the 2-day, we are trending to the upside now. The 4-day chart is trying to cross over. And once this ends up crossing over, we're probably going to see a major rally to the upside where this range is likely going to break to the upside. And that's going to be incredible news. I think that everybody has been waiting for a long time for this break to occur now. Oh, my bad. You guys don't see that. All I was showing you was this. This right here on the 4-day chart, it shows a range. Okay, the 2-day MACD is heading to the upside. Volume is picking up as well. And also the 4-day MACD, we're wanting to go to the upside. So even though I don't day trade nearly as much anymore, I still make some pretty good profits day trading when I want to. So for example, this month, so here's me trading from May 1st till yesterday. So I made $4,800 just casually day trading. And then I posted another profit of about 2,000 just I made today. So that's a $6,800 profit for somebody that barely day trades, which is incredibly substantial, right? That's like $80,000-$90,000 a year if you were to do that full time, just kind of casually trading. So even if you don't trade full time, and if you don't even have a big bankroll, it's still very easy once you have the skills. The skills are the most important thing to obtain. Once you get the skills, the profits becomes very easy. And if you were in my Discord group, you would have also caught today's trade with me as well. So I made a very good trade setup recommendation for Lena with a 5-to-1 RR. The best entry is a break of this resistance I specify. So I showed my Discord group this blue line that was trying to break these multiple resistances, telling them that it would most likely end up targeting up to 1441. And then you can see that Lena did indeed end up breaking to the upside. And what's even better is that it ended up hitting the target exactly as planned. So it broke this side over here. Here's where I told my group to long it, the blue line, 1363. So I told my group to long it right around here, 1363, right there, okay? And then it ended up breaking to the upside. And then surely enough, it hit pretty much exactly the target that we planned. And then we took profit. And then I also said to my group this, which is the best part, okay? There's an opportunity for either a long or a short, depending on which way it breaks. So then once that white line ended up breaking, a lot of people, they ended up entering a short position as well. So people in my group were able to capitalize on both a long and also a short, which was wonderful. So if you guys are not in my Discord group yet, take a look at my link in below here. It's $35 a month to join it. And you're going to have a library full of information, so much to learn in there. Even 1 month in there, you're going to come out feeling like you know a lot more than other people. So let's continue with what Bitcoin is doing right now, and let's make some predictions. So my prediction is that this is the final dip that occurred. I don't think we're going to get a dip lower than what we already got. This candle here was too strong. Whenever you see a candle like that in a bull market, it usually indicates that it's a strong support and a rally is going to happen to the upside. So these small type of hammer candles or even dragonfly doji candles, when you see them appear, they become incredibly strong. So we've seen a series of them so far, and every time we've seen it, it's rallied to the upside. And also, the weekly chart is making its way to the upside with the curvature of the histogram. Okay, so these are phenomenal times for you to be dollar cost averaging. Today, my portfolio went up over 6 figures in the main portfolio, and in the public portfolio, it also went up over 5 figures that I'm managing with my Discord group. So overall, we take a look at the market cap for all of crypto, and we're seeing that it's got this bullish momentum as well, just like Bitcoin. So the total market cap is trending to the upside on the 2-day. On the 4-day, it's about to cross over as well. So this is looking great where it's eventually going to break this market cap. You can see the market cap of all of crypto. It's very similar to how Bitcoin's price action is actually. And of course, the big number that we're always wanting to break is going to be the $3 trillion range. If we take a look at the total 2 market cap, which is all coins except for Bitcoin, we also see a very similar type of thing happening as well, where it looks like it wants to rally to the upside. And then the total 3 market cap is Bitcoin minus Ethereum, or sorry, all of the market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you see that it ended up hitting this support region down over here that's been trending for literally 230 days now. Then we bounce. Another significant thing about total 2, if you guys caught this, was this pattern right here. This pattern was showing like a symmetric triangle. At the moment that it broke to the upside, that's where the majority of the market ended up rallying. So Ethereum's ETF was approved, and a lot of the price action was factored in already prior to it. So even though it got approved, we didn't see that major spike that people were happening. But you have to also understand people were buying the news, and the price was heavily factored in already. So as we move into quarter 2, I'm expecting Bitcoin to eventually break these highs. The major high it needs to break is $71,900 resistance. Once this breaks clearly, once the 4-day chart ends up crossing to the upside, it's going to be price discovery mode, and a lot of alts are going to be carried with it as well. So not that many alts have moved to the upside yet. So for example, you'll see Arkham over here. It ended up moving today. You see Sol and Dot. So some of my biggest ones that I carry now is RNDR, Superverse. I carry Beam. Like this is basically the portfolio that I have right now. If I were to buy more of anything, it would probably be more of TIA soon. And I also have my eye on artificial superintelligence, which is the merge between FET, AGIX, and also Ocean. That's coming up in later June. So other than that, guys, whenever the market moves like this, you always need to have a method to find the coin to trade. If you are not in my alerts group yet, that's something to definitely consider. Take a look at the link below. I've created an alerts group that uses a secret formula that uses 9 different confluent reasons to enter a trade or for it to actually signal off a trade. So you're going to see that I have a channel that fires off 4-hour alerts for swing traders and also 15-minute alerts for day traders and scalpers. Now, this is great depending on if you're a swing trader or a day trader. Not only that, I've created a very comprehensive tutorial that's going to take you about an hour or 2 to get over all of it, to understand the rules for entering using the signals and the rules for exiting, and especially the risk management rules as well. That's going to help you be profitable. So this lifetime access, it only goes for $125, and you're going to find way more trades than you've ever found before. And provided that you follow my risk management and entry and exit techniques down to a science, down to the letter, you will increase your chances of being successful and catching a lot of the trades that I see. So if you take a look at Alice, this fired off June the 3rd at 2:15 in the morning. And yes, there are a lot of signals that fire off. And I give you guys a very detailed tutorial on how to break down the signals to eliminate noise and only focus on the good ones. So you'll see Alice fire off here at $1.63. And what do you know? This is the signal for you to enter the trade here. So if you had entered it, the exit strategy is simple. Just exit when the chandelier exit turns red. So if you had entered around there, you would have been up about 50%. That's a huge amount. So definitely consider joining the alerts group. And for those that have been asking many times now about my advanced volatility and range scanner, so what this does is it, as soon as a coin moves 5% in 1 hour, it's going to pop up in the screen. If a coin moves 10% in 2 hours, it's going to pop up on the screen. If a coin moves 15% in the past 4 hours, it's going to pop up on the screen. If a coin moves 20% in the past 2 days, it's going to pop up on the screen. So you can see here that the most volatile coin is CKB and also KAS today. Those are the coins that have moved the most. So with this advanced volatility and range scanner, you're going to be able to immediately spot the coins that are volatile. So you have to think of a way to do that, right? Like, how else are you going to notice a coin that's moving immediately? You would physically have to be watching that coin or have an alert on every single coin. But what this does is, especially the bull market, guys, as soon as the coin's moving, and then you're going to see it pop up on the screen here, it's going to be highlighted green. So this advanced volatility scanner is going to allow you to catch way more trades than anything out on the market. And this is an indicator that I've custom developed with my friend and my coder. And this indicator is only available to the elite group of mine on Discord, which is literally always closed because I only allow 5 people in a month. But the good news is, in less than a few days, I'm going to make this available for people to purchase if they want to add it to their arsenal of different ways to find the trade. So stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you up to date. So just to summarize, Bitcoin is trying to break above very soon, $71,800 range. I believe we're going to break it around maybe sometime between now and August for sure. Okay. Until then, the market's not going to move that much. And you can see that right here, based off of my advanced volatility scanner, not many coins have moved today, despite Bitcoin moving to the upside. And other than that, guys, just stay patient. This market is not going to go anywhere anytime soon yet, in my opinion, but we're definitely making more progress as the days go by. And make sure to sign up for my alerts group with the link below. And in about 2 or 3 days, I'm going to release this scanner to the public for you guys to purchase and use to find the best possible trades in the quickest and most efficient way. So I'll catch you guys sometime later. If you enjoy my content, just hit the like button for me. Hit the thumbs up if you haven't subscribed already. I'll see you guys later. Bye now.